Previously on Lost.
What I was gonna do is that originally I was gonna go to the garbage waste because there's a shit ton of scavs there and it's like free food. Also because, you know, blowing shit up is pretty fun. Okay, this is kind of a predicament that I'm in. Oh. Okay. Well, never mind then. It's my last chance to really save. I kinda have to go through garbage waste at this point. I've locked myself into it. Oh, what the fuck? What? What? Huh? Okay. No, I need to... Give me his body. Gimme. Okay. Hey, come on. Okay, I did it, okay. Oh my god, I did it. Oh. What the fuck was that? took me, I don't even, I was like, was that 5 or 6 tries? I don't know. Oh my god. I have 1 spirit in my name. Oh my god. I did it. I feel a bit better now. About this at least. Okay. So, now that I'm no longer in hyper-focus mode, I can start talking again. I've been trying to do that for the past few days now. I don't know how long. I think I've been absent for about like 3 weeks because I've been doing this. I've been doing that the whole time. Shit. Okay, so my plan now is to basically just sort of karma grind away until I can get into Shaded Citadel. Which seems like a bad idea, but shit. Fuck. What's wrong with my keyboard? If I've been button mashing so much that, like, okay, nothing's wrong with it, I'm just an idiot, okay. Can you fight? Can you? Yeah, thank you, okay. Ah, Jesus. What the fu- okay. What the fuck? Could have sworn there was fruit through here. Huh. Guess I was wrong about that. There's also usually scavs through here as well. Guess I should be grateful for one of them. Oh, there it is, okay. Is it just you? That's always fun. I didn't explain before, did I? I completely forgot. What my plan is right now is to karma grind to... is it 5? Yeah, karma grind to karma 5. And then get to Shaded Citadel. Hopefully. Honestly, I might just go through drainage system instead. To be honest, let me check something real quick. Actually, no, it's not. Here isn't the safe place to do that. Scavengers don't appear. Go away. Scavengers don't appear a whole lot in the outskirts. So what I might do is just ditch the plan to go to Shaded Citadel entirely, and just go to the drainage system instead, because that's just a direct shoot to I forgot the name of the place, but you know what I mean. Scavengers don't appear in the outskirts a whole lot. They mostly appear in one region in particular, or one part of the region. I just have to get enough food to hibernate and then do that. And there's plenty of shit plenty of other shit in the outskirts that I can eat. There's also plenty of other things that I... Oh, hello. I guess I bothered him. I won't go that way, I guess. Might be able to go down there. There might be scavs down there. I can make it back there up in time to hibernate. Yeah, I can do that. Okay, Geronimo. Okay. Okay, plan set in motion. I'm gonna go through the garbage waste. No, fuck that. I'm gonna go to the drainage system instead. Vulture, okay. Got it. Vulture, okay, got it. Ow! My knees. Woo! Why isn't my up key working sometimes? I was just about to mention that. Hello. Fucking go away. I didn't do shit to you. You can fuck off, good sir. Did that monster kelp just eat that vulture? Is that what just happened? Did that monster kelp just eat that vulture? Did that weed... It did. It did entirely. It did. It's already dead. I didn't need to do that. I'm just eating all the fruits. Okay, what's the level for this? It can't be that high. It's high. Okay. What the f- Whoa, okay. There was a lot going on there. What the fuck? No. Okay. Haha! Skills. And I get a nice berry afterwards. I'm so good at this game, as you guys can clearly tell. You're gonna be annoying, so I'm just gonna kill you right now. Just to let you know how much I hate you. Hey, no, I don't- here, you know what? Here, take this. I don't want it. You're free to have it. I'm not gonna eat it. I fed you! I wasn't trying to, you know, be nice to you. Are you okay? Are we okay? Are we okay? What are we? You can come here. Hurry.
Hello there.
Why is there a centipede in my house? No! Don't hurt him! Okay. This whole thing just makes me want to play a normal hunter run now. That's all this makes me want to do. I'm not sure who made the saying, you know, slow and steady wins the race. I prefer the term, like, fast as fuck gives you good luck. I made that. That's my setting. Oh my god, there's so many bugs. Really? You're gonna set up right above me? You dickweed? Okay. I just realized I kind of fucking screwed this up here. Never mind. We're gonna see this. Seeing this till the end. It's right there, I know where it is. Right there, come on. Okay, you know what? So, I don't give a fuck about save scumming right now. Best part about this area, there's no scavs through here. Hopefully the next, like, Rain World related content I get to do will be Downpour when it comes out. I don't know when it comes out, but there's been a lot of people talking about it, and a lot of updates I've been seeing on the server, so I'm going to assume it's soon. Maybe, I don't know. Well, we'll see what happens. Is there another way to that area? What's going on down there? I don't like it. This isn't the worst idea that I've had for a run. Then again, I haven't really had any ideas for a run. This is like the first challenge run I've ever done and posted it on YouTube before. The fact that I got so many people, that I grabbed so much attention with it as I did, is a surprise to me. Come at me. I'll fight you. I'll fight you. "32 successful cycles, what?" I think what disappoints me about this whole run is that I didn't get 669 ranking. That is the most disappointing thing. Overall, wouldn't recommend playing this challenge. I mean, it was fun for a while. It was nice to actually play a game where I had to actually think about what was going on, what I had to do, because I've played Hunter Run so much that I kind of know where stuff is already. I went through that entire thing without spending that other popcorn plant, which is surprising to me. I feel like I would have, you know, spent both of them, and then be like, oh no, I need another one, but no, I only spent one. Probably because I was living off, like, the skin of my teeth that entire time. That's such a gross analogy. Going to garbage waste was the worst idea, but I made it out. And I'm proud of myself for that. I'm proud that I made it out alive. I'm proud that I did this. And that I never get to do it ever again. But I can remember it.